Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Online Learning. In this video, we learn spelling rule for letter K. What is the rule? K comes in the front only when K is in front of letters E, I and Y. For example, keys. Here K is in front of letter E. King. Here K is in front of letter I. Spooky. Here K is in front of letter Y. What is the rule? K comes in the front only when K is in front of letters E, I and Y. Spelling rule for letter K and CK. So here K and CK also make same sound, letter K sound. So how to identify when to write K and when to write CK? There is a rule again. K comes at the end of one syllable word. K comes at the end of one syllable words after any sounds. So it says that K comes at the end of one syllable word after any sounds except a short vowel sound. Let us see some examples. Here, milk. Milk. Here we have I. I is a short vowel sound. Here I sounds as E. E, L, K. Milk. Here I is a short vowel sound, but it is not before K. Okay? We have one other letter in between I and K. For example, see, this is I, this is a short vowel. This is L, this is a consonant. Okay, let us see some examples. Now, remember this rule. K comes at the end of one syllable word after any sounds except a short vowel sound. Milk. Just now we see in the example. Milk. L, K. Milk. Pink. P, E, N, K. Pink. This is pink. Sink. S, ink. This is sink. Dark. And this is dark. This one is dark. Now let us see the spelling rule for letter CK. When do we write letter CK? Here CK also sounds same. K. CK comes immediately after a short vowel sound. When does CK comes? CK comes immediately after a short vowel sound. Let us see an example. Rock. Rock. Here R-O-C-K. Here CK sounds K. Here O is a short vowel sound. What is the rule? CK comes immediately after a short vowel sound. Rock. This is rock. Lock. This is lock. Duck. Here U is a short vowel. D-A-K. Duck. This is duck. Truck. Tr-A-K. Here T-R. Tr. It is a consonant blend. Tr-A-K. Truck. truck. Hope you all understood. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel Online Learning. Thank you.